Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Let's see what's going on with your person, let's see what's going on with you and how your energies are aligning with each other. And these are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading and then we start, okay? My angel spirit guides, a blessing, guidance, advice or a message for Taurus, please. Blessing, guidance, advice or message for Taurus, please. Blessing, guidance, advice for Taurus. Thank you. Okay. So if you got a card, Taurus, let's see what we have. The card I have here for you, Taurus, is pause. So there could be a kind of a pause going on, Taurus, in your love life right now. What this pause is all about and what your person is thinking and what your mutual energies are. Let's kind of figure that out. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your love and support to the channel. Thank you for your comments, your likes. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you. And of course, if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus, newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. Of course, for the duration of the reading, Taurus, I will be referring this side as person A, this side as person B. You know your story, you'll know which side you're on, right? And in the center here, I have your mutual energies. And bottom of my deck, I do see the 8 of Cups in reverse. So either you want to return back to somebody, Taurus, or maybe your person wants to return back to you. Or maybe you both want to return back to each other. But there is a strong, even in the pre-shuffle, I saw this card twice. There's something about return, okay? So let's put this. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So let's start with the energies of person A. 7 of Cups, the Moon, the Fool, Chariot, 5 of Swords, and the 9 of Swords. Person B, Magician, Justice, 6 of Swords, Death in reverse, 4 of Wands, and the 6 of Pentacles. Before we begin, Taurus, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards as well to get the ball rolling here, okay? So, Taurus and their person, spirit. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. Let's take a couple more from this deck, Taurus. If they could say something to each other, spirit, Taurus and their person. Thank you. So the first card I have here for you, Taurus. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can ever think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. I kind of don't like this card very, very much, Taurus. That actually is somebody gloating exactly like this, Ha ha ha, I've stolen all your swords and I'm one up on you, but you know what, I'm still the boss. So what's the point of you having sex with somebody else and telling or thinking about the person? You should be with that person or not be with anyone else. At least that's how I feel. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the woman, man, that every man or woman desires. I know that I can count on you and I will show you that you can count on me too. Okay. I feel like, sorry, I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not to only stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that has been holding you back. Okay, so this could be somebody else who's in a third party as well. Maybe this is another person. Okay, so let's go on to the next. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels unsettled. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. I honestly feel here, Taurus, this is not the person that you're with. This could be another person. I'm in a relationship with someone else. See, I told you. This was my gut feeling saying, I'm in a relationship with someone else. Still, you are always on my mind and in my heart. All I want is you. And that's why this person feels so guilty when they're intimate with maybe their current partner and they're still dreaming of you, or vice versa. I don't know why I was getting that gut feeling from the first card, that this seems like somebody else who either you want to be with or they want to be with you, and you guys are yet not together but supporting each other or feeling each other from afar. Okay, so Seven of Cups could also mean fantasy, right? So what's the Seven of Cups for person A, Spirit? Seven of Cups. What's the Seven of Cups for person A? Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. Somebody is rather confused here. They're looking for answers here. There could be a level of confusion about holding back love here for some strange reason. Somebody wants some answers. Somebody is looking for, or maybe even fantasizing about, what's this moon card? What are these secrets, Spirit? What are these secrets? Somebody is keeping something a secret here, Taurus. I don't know what that is. They want to work on something and come out of a very depressive state maybe that they've been in. They're looking to celebrate life. They're looking for options here. They're getting more and more clear each day that I have to find my strength now, because where I am, I'm not really happy here. They feel that they have been played for a fool where they are. They feel that somebody has fooled them, or they're feeling foolish here. This person A, is looking for justice now. They are wanting now to charge ahead with a goal, purpose towards maybe a better future here. What's this Fool card, Spirit? Fool card. They don't want to live in anxiety with, in a place where there's secrets all the time, where they're always emotionally overwhelmed and where things are always stuck, and they are maybe their current partner, person A, your current partner could be a little controlling here, little like a dictator here, and you always feel that, you don't feel good about yourself because you feel that you're being played, and you feel maybe somebody treats you like a fool. I don't know. So where does person A want to go, Spirit, with the Chariot energy? They want to be released. This person A, wants to be released. They are dreaming and fantasizing about happier times ahead. They're trying to find their strength. They know that where they are at is not a very loving situation, or they've lost their love for this current partner maybe, and they are getting more and more bitter, like clear, and they want forward direction. They feel I have to get out of my head now of this confusion or whatever this clouded energy that there is in my mind, I have to work out of it and get out of my depression now. They feel somebody's played them. They feel there's been a dictator or a very controlling individual. For this person always controls them like it's my way or the highway, and they feel things are totally stuck, nothing is moving. They are quite clear now that they want justice, they want to move ahead, they want to release maybe this toxic energy that this person is stuck in, right? They want to be released of this toxicity, this unhappy situation that they find themselves in. They feel that their partner always plays games with them, their partner always treats them like it's my way or the highway, always makes them feel not important enough, and diminishes their value. They know that this is not the place I want to have long-term, or I wish to have long-term stability with. All I want is now to get out of a zone which has given me too many sleepless nights. I don't want to live that life anymore, which is always going to make me feel less than and, worried or have nightmares. Person A is, I think, suddenly finding or trying to find their willpower, their wings, and try and take action towards moving or to a better future or getting control of their own life. Now, this person is very capable, by the way. Queen of Wands is a very capable person, beautiful to look at, exciting, accomplished, can handle themselves. People look up to this person. But when you have somebody like this around, then yes, for a while you can stay pressed down, but sooner or later, this Queen of Wands is going to pick up her wand and say, hey, enough. I'm nobody's fool here. Okay? Enough is enough. I'm not going to be treated like a fool. And if that means ending something, then so be it. Okay? I just can't be here because of a false sense of security or stability. What's the point when my heart is always broken here? Right? So this could be the feminine energy this side. Let's see person B. Person B is the magician. Person B is trying to manifest something. Now, I don't know, Taurus, whether this is your current partner or this is the partner that I think person A wants to move towards. Not that I saw that person A was actually moving towards a person and that's why they were leaving this person. It's just that they're unhappy with this person, right? They are not in a very conducive environment, and that's the reason they want to move. And let's see, what's this magician spirit? Magician? No, this is your current partner, definitely your current partner, who is the King of Swords in reverse. Now, they're a magician, they create illusions, it's just like this. I believe the best is yet to come, all the nice things that they say, right? You're the woman, you're the perfect woman every man or woman would want, kind of a thing. Now, this is a magician. They try and say and do things which will create illusions. You know what a magician does, right? Now it's there, now it's not, kind of a thing. They are in actuality almost dangerous, I would say. This is a person who's very cold-hearted. This is a person who is very rough with their words sometimes. They can be rude, they can be cutthroat, to be honest. I think if they already know that person A wants to leave them, and there could be legal implications, this is going to be a big tower moment for this person, Taurus. I don't know whether this is you. I have a feeling this is you, though. This is going to be a huge tower moment, that somebody is leaving them, finding justice for themselves, to go for a fresh beginning for themselves, and leaving all these troubles behind and closing out a chapter on them. Now, this is not something that this person is going to be very happy about, Taurus, I'll be honest, because in their own twisted way, they do love you very much, okay? They do love person A very much. They know that person A is their Queen of Cups, always giving, always loving, always nurturing, the wife material, basically, and they don't want to lose that, right? So one more card, Spirit, for the Six of Swords. They are very, very burdened at the moment. They're very burdened at the thought that this chapter can close out or this breakup can happen. They don't like change. Okay, number one. Person B does not like change. This overwhelms them. They want to hold on to person A or the situation till the last moment. For them, it's not acceptable that somebody can just sneak out of their life. How is that possible? I am the magician. I'm the king of swords. I control everything. I'm the emperor in reverse, remember? I hold everybody's strings here. And how is it possible that somebody else can just sneak out on me, and especially that somebody that I want here? This is very, very burdening to this person. And yes, now they are thinking. Now they are going back and kind of reminiscing about the fond memories that they have with person A. The years of togetherness, maybe you guys may have known each other for a long time, or maybe there were some good memories in the past. Now this person is reflecting. Now they're saying, oh my God, this was my person. Do I really want to let them go? This is my stability. This is my home. So Four of Wands, Spirit. Four of Wands. They feel, even if, there was some emotional imbalance here, even if there was no wish fulfillment here, even if two people maybe in the long run are not very happy with each other, or not kind of emotionally satisfied with each other, structure is very important to them. Home is very important to them. They would want a rebirth, okay, if possible. They are going to even try maybe with the Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Six of Pentacles, yes, they want a return. They want their soulmate back, and they are going to take action. They will not take this lying down, Taurus. They possess person A almost. They feel this is mine, okay. This person is not allowed to turn their back on me. Because what happens if person A turns their back on me? I feel abandoned. I feel left out in the cold. Yes, I want them to return. I want them to return. I want them to return. Okay? Mind, body, heart and soul. That's what I'm saying. Earlier also I saw the Six of Cups 2-3 times in my pre-shuffle, and it's come out here again twice. So either somebody wants to return back to this connection, or they want their partner to return back to them. They want to heal this connection now. One more card, Spirit. They know things have ended, and you guys are at crossroads, and their partner's pretty unhappy maybe with them, but they will not. They want to heal. They want to balance, even though they know they've broken many promises in the past, and their person may not believe them anymore. They may, even if they come with new promises or whatever, they know that they've already lost their empress here, but they are still kind of wanting to heal. They want to return. They want to heal. They want to break this broken heart. Heal this broken heart now somehow. See, I just saw it here. Yeah, so they know they've broken their partner's heart, and they want to now ease it out. How are they going to do it? I have no clue. Let's see what your mutual energies are. Three of Cups in reverse, Devil in reverse, and the Five of Wands in reverse. Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Three of Cups here for the mutual energy? I don't think there's any reunion yet, Taurus here, but somebody is kind of thinking. First of all, somebody is very, very, very angry, and I think this is this masculine here who is totally upset and irritated and mad and thinking of how to get this reunion back. They are now strategizing. They are using their brain power to kind of think of a strategy as to say, how do I get this person to return back to me? They don't want their partner to be available, single and out there. So Devil in reverse, Spirit. Somebody has to make a choice here. Release the devil, release this selfish, maybe person, and be single. And this is not going to be an easy choice right now, because this person is not going to let you go that easy. They are very selfish. They want you to choose them. They want you to choose them back again. They want to have victory over you. Okay, they want to be victorious over you. Even if that means 5 of Wands in reverse, Spirit. 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse. 5 of Wands in reverse. Taurus, the problem here is this person wants what they want. Okay, they want their Queen of Pentacles back. Even if it means there is no emotional happiness, even if it means that there is no passion, all they want that, hey, let's get over this conflict and let's be back together. Okay, so it's going to be different for all of you out there, but I do see one person wanting to escape a very controlling person, and the other person, for them it's a matter of pride and ego now, and it's going to be a tower moment in their life, because they are feeling now that their partner may want to leave them, and they're going to try every trick in the trade to either disallow their partner from leaving, or if they've already left, to return back to them. Okay, so be very careful with that. Yes, this could be a pause going on, Taurus. Each of you will have different circumstances, right? Some of you will return, some of you won't, and how you're going to deal with this person will be absolutely on your individual circumstances. But this is the gist of it. I hope this worked. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.